Get to know your Apple Watch by trying out the taps, swipes, and presses you'll be using most. Here are some helpful navigation tips and features. Let's say your friend sends you a message. To respond right away, raise your wrist to see the notification. Then scroll to the bottom of the message using the digital crown, or by swiping on the screen. Here, you'll see some quick reply options. Tap to choose a reply, like an emoji, and then tap to pick one. Sent. If your notifications have been stacking up, you can see them all in one place in Notification Center. Just swipe down from the top of your watch face and scroll through. Once you're all caught up, you can clear notifications from this list by scrolling to the notification you want to delete, swiping left across it, and tapping the X. To clear all of your notifications at once, scroll to the top and tap Clear All. Control Center gives you quick access to settings like Do Not Disturb, the Ping iPhone button, and more. Touch and hold the bottom edge of the watch face, and then swipe up to access it from any screen. You can close Control Center by swiping down from the top of the watch face or pressing the digital crown. To make a purchase with Apple Pay, double-click the side button and bring your watch display near the contactless reader. You'll feel a gentle tap and hear a chime when the transaction is complete. Want a fresh look for your Apple Watch? Swipe left or right from one edge of the screen to swap in a different watch face saved in your collection. Or touch and hold the watch face and swipe all the way to the left to add something new. Want to use Siri instead of tapping and swiping on screen? Press and hold the digital crown, then say something like, "Play my staycation playlist." To return to your watch face when you're done using an app, press the digital crown. To quickly return to the last app you were using, just double-click the digital crown. To see all your recently used apps in the dock, press the side button on your Apple Watch from any screen. If you need to make an emergency call, press and hold the side button to find Emergency SOS, which lets you quickly call for help and send a message with your location to your emergency contacts. From here, you can also turn off your Apple Watch. To turn it back on again, just press and hold the side button. And that's it. Now you're ready to explore more of what your Apple Watch has to offer. For more helpful Apple Watch tips, subscribe.